Now, I'll be honest with you guys, I was planning on vlogging on Tuesday. Today's Monday. I was expecting the ECU, which is the missing piece for the 350Z, to come in tomorrow, but actually it came in early. So shout out to Hexa Garage for taking care of us and sending out the new ECU and having it reprogrammed. But we are going to be putting in the new ECU, the proper ECU I should say, that's gonna go in to the 350Z. Now the reason why we're gonna need a new ECU is because, for one, we have the non-rev up motor in the car. It previously had the rev up motor, so new ECU going in with the new map, and then the car will hopefully, fingers crossed, will be safe to drive. And I almost forgot, welcome back to the channel, guys. Welcome back to the vlog. It's your boy Lance. If you guys haven't subscribed, make sure you guys subscribe, especially if you guys want to see cool automotive content right here in Hawaii. This channel is for you. So really quick update on the GT500 since we've last put on the drop springs. It rides really well, but the one thing that we didn't do yet is do an alignment because I'm waiting for new tires, so that's on hold right now. We're gonna get that car sent out to Nestor's today. I have to run some errands, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna drop off the 350Z and then come pick it back up from Nestor. Now I want to do the ECU myself because it's just literally remove a panel and then unplug the old one, put in the new one. But since Nestor and the guys at the shop went through all the hard work of working on 350Z, I'm gonna give them the glory to fully finish it off. And then update on the GTR real quick. Well, for one, the car is slowly dropping because it's losing air and it's been sitting in this spot for literally over a month already, and I still haven't checked the fuses, for one because I'm kind of lazy, and two, I just don't have the time. But also, yeah, GTR, I'm sorry, I'm very sorry, but we'll get to you. We gotta get this done first, and then this one, and then maybe we're gonna finally wrap the 350Z. And who knows, maybe we might wrap the GT500 too. Now the real question is though, is this car gonna be able to start? The last time we started up didn't go so well, but there's only one way to find out. Please God, please God. Oh yes. And now let's blast that AC because it's freaking hot. Now the Z is definitely the slowest car out of the fleet, but just something about sitting in the Z, guys, it just feels so comfortable and it's so fun to drive. Now that we have the ECU though, maybe we have a little bit more fun. All right, we just got to Nestor's shop. I just wanted to show you guys something. A BMW with Tesla wheels. Interesting, but I'll see you in a few hours, Z.
3 hours later.
And we're back. We got Nestor finishing up some stuff over there. But I just wanted to show you guys the old engine, which is sitting here. It still runs, just bad rod bearings. So if anybody wants to buy this, DM me on Instagram because I really want to get rid of this. You could probably rebuild this too. And we didn't send any rods through, so that's a plus. So if anybody wants it, let me know. All right. For startup, with the ECU in, had to change out some sensors. Sounds good, guys. Good? All right. Sounds good. I know, yeah. Actually, can I show? Can I show it on video? Yeah. All right. Let's go. So Nestor. Ooh. I'm getting the keys to the car too. Thank you. All right, so last time we were at the shop, guys, there was a Corvette sitting here and Nestor got rid of the Corvette and then he ended up getting a 350Z. So now we're both matching. He just gave me the keys, but let's just take a look at the car. Look at that carbon interior. Got the nice seats in there. Look at that. That crown bag though, I want to do the purple original crown bag, but damn, this looks nice. And look, harness with the nice bars too. Dang, and it's wide body, guys. Look at that. Crazy. I know it's been sitting out, so it's a little dirty, but that's okay. Carbon rear, custom tails. Oh my goodness. Carbon hood as well. That looks so freaking sick. And it's boosted. So let's just go ahead, pop the hood real quick. I don't want to start it because this is not my car, but he's allowing me. And if I can just get under this thing. Oh my goodness. That's so freaking sick. Dual intakes up front, and this is a DE, guys. Like, what the heck? Oh my good, bruh, look at that. You even got a Smirnoff bottle as a little like catch can looking thing for the coolant. Damn, this car is sick. Now I gotta convince Nestor to sell me this hood. And now that we have an up close look of the BMW, we got Tesla wheels. Tesla, guys, on a BMW. So the funny thing is that the BMW, this BMW 7 Series, the Nissan GTR R35, and the Tesla all have a 5x114 bolt pattern, so they're all compatible. So the Tesla wheels are on the BMW, and then the spare wheels for the GTR is on Nestor's Tesla. But I really think this looks sick though. 21-inch wheel, it looks nice. So we had the car sitting for about 15 minutes so far. It's idling really well. We got the new base map from Hexa Garage, so shout out to them. Also, we had a check engine light when we first started up the car, but it was just the faulty knock sensor, so that one was just going bad. So we went ahead and took out the old one, which is over here, and then we just put it back in to the replacement motor. But other than that, guys, she sounds really good. And a shout out to that handsome guy all the way down there. Now that we have the base tune uploaded, I really feel like this car wants to just drive hard. But I don't know. I feel like we do have to tweak out the tune just a little bit though. But other than that, it runs well. AC blows super cold. Not throwing any codes. The only thing left is to figure out if this car has TPMS sensors, which I do not know, and I will figure that out next time. But I'm super happy to have this car out on the road, drive it with a little bit more confidence. I think honestly the car wants to just sit at a higher rev range, but that's just me. But we'll figure all of that out. The car shifts great. Now the question is though, what should we do as far as tuning the car? I do have an old EcuTech sitting at home. I'm not sure honestly if it's even compatible with the 350Z because I originally bought it for the GTR. But again, it is a little bit more older EcuTech dongle, so maybe that might work. But if you guys have any suggestions for actual fine tuning, let me know. Drop it in the comments. Now I sat at the stoplight for quite some time, but I noticed that it likes to sit at around 1,000 RPM for just idle, and then sometimes it would drop all the way down to like less than 500 RPM at idle. So I don't know what would be like the happy medium for just idle range for the 350Z. If you guys have any insight, also please let me know. But I noticed that it'll like sit at 1,000 and it'll drop to just below 500 and it'll bounce back up to 1,000. So we still have to see and figure that out. And just like that, guys, we are finally back. Now for sure we're gonna have to get this car fine-tuned because I feel like it doesn't want to go too much in the 4,000 RPM range. So it loves sitting around 2 to 4, but from 4 and above it like just feels like it doesn't want to, which is understandable. So we're gonna go ahead and get a base map, or not base map, but a more refined tune for the 350Z. Also, we're gonna have to go ahead and take off these tints for the tail lights because we have to get safety check. And then once we get all of that done, then we're gonna wrap the car. Again, I'm still trying to figure out a timetable to wrap the car, and I really don't know what the color is, so I'm in the dark as much as you guys are about it. But super good to have the 350Z. I thought we were gonna have more problems when we saw the check engine light, but good thing it was just a faulty sensor, so that's all good. And then I really want to get new exhaust for this car. I'm leaning towards Flowmaster Outlaws, but I don't know, Borla's kind of calling me too, so we'll see. But hope you guys enjoyed today's short vlog, and we got lots more in store. I'm just super happy we're one step closer to getting more progress done with the 350Z. So if you guys haven't done so already, make sure you guys smash the like button, drop a comment down below. Again, if you guys have any insight for anything with tuning for the 350Z or just anything, it would really help. So I'll see you guys on the next video. Remember, you guys are all called to be great in your own way, and most importantly, stay driven.